Hello students of class 8. Good morning to all of you. In previous lecture, you have studied about exercise 2.5, which is equations, and we have to solve the equations and find the values of x, y, z are variables. And today's topic is equations reducible to the linear form. Means we have given that equations in fractions form and we have to reduce to these equations in linear form and find the values of variables. In exercise 2.6, question number first is given as 8x minus 3 upon 3x equal to 2 upon 1 equal to 2. We can write it 2 upon 1. Now by cross multiplication we multiplied 1 to 8x minus 3 and 3x to 2. By cross multiplication we have 8x minus 3 equal to 6x. Then by transferring rule, when we have transfer 6x at left side, then 8x minus 6x equal to 3 and 2x equal to 3, then x equal to 3 upon 2. This is the answer of your question. And question number 2 is given as 9x upon 7 minus 6x equal to 15. We can write 15 upon 1. Then by cross multiplication we have 9x equal to 15 7 ja 105 and 15 6 ja minus 90x. Then by transferring rule 9x plus 90x equal to 105. Then 99x equal to 105. Now x equal to 105 upon 99. When we reduce it in lowest form, then we get x equal to 35 upon 33. This is answer of your second question. And question number 3 is given as z upon z plus 15 equal to 4 upon 9. Then by cross multiplication we have 9z equal to 4z plus 60. Then by transferring rule 9z minus 4z equal to 60. Then 5z equal to 60. Then z equal to 60 upon 5 and 60 upon 5. When we solve it, we get z equal to 12. Question number 4 is given as 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 upon 5. By cross multiplication, we have 5 3 ja 15y and 5 4 ja 20. 15y plus 20 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 and minus 2 into minus 6y equal to plus 12y. Then by transferring rule 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 and minus 20. Then 3y equal to minus 24. Then y equal to minus 24 upon 3. Then y equal to minus 8. Now question number 5 is given as 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 equal to minus 4 upon 3. Then by cross multiplication we have 3 7 ja 21y plus 3 4 ja 12 equal to minus 4y minus 4 2 ja minus 8. By transferring rule 21y plus 4y equal to minus 8 minus 12. Then 25y equal to minus 20. Then y equal to minus 20 upon 25. When we reduce it in lowest form, then we get y equal to minus 4 upon 5. This is answer of your question number 5. And question number 6 is given as Question number 6 is given as the ages of Hari and Hari are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. Let present age of Hari be ratio is given as 5:7, then 5 years, and present age of Hari be 7 years. According to question, according to question, 4 years from now, age of Hari equal to 5 years plus 4, and age of Hari equal to 7 years plus 4. The ratio of 5 years plus 4 and 7 years plus 4 is equal to 3:4. So we can write this 5 years plus 4 upon 7 years plus 4 equal to 3/4. Then by cross multiplication we have 20 years plus 16 equal to 21 years plus 12. Then 20 years by transferring rule, 20 years minus 21 years equal to 12 minus 16. Then minus x equal to minus 4. Then x equal to 4. Now we have to find present age of Hari. Present age of Hari equal to 5 years, means 5 into 4 equal to 20 years, and present age of Hari equal to 7 years, means 7 into 4 equal to 28 years old. This is answer of your question. Now question number 7 is given as the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Means we have to give a rational number in which denominator is greater than 8 by numerator. If we increase numerator by 17 and decrease 1 by denominator, then we obtain the rational number which is 3/2. So we have to find the rational number. Means हमारे पास एक rational number है. rational number में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर होते हैं, जिसमें जो डिनोमिनेटर है न्यूमरेटर से 8 ज्यादा है. और अगर हम क्वेश्चन कर अगर हम न्यूमरेटर को 17 बढ़ा दें और डिनोमिनेटर को 1 कम कर दें, तो जो रेशनल नंबर हमको मिलता है वो 3/2 मिलता है. तो हमको रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है. वो रेशनल नंबर क्या है? तो लेट द न्यूमरेटर बी x and denominator be according to question, when we increase the numerator by 17 means x plus 17 and decrease the denominator by 1 x plus 8 minus 1, then we get rational number 3 upon 2, then x plus 17 upon x plus 7 equal to 3 upon 2, then we have 2x plus 34 equal to 3x plus 21, then 2x minus 3x equal to 21 minus 34, then minus x equal to minus 13, then x equal to 13, denominator equal to 13 plus 8 equal to 21, means rational number equal to 13 upon 21. This is your answer. But when we have any confusion in the answer, then we can check 13 plus 17 equal to 30 and 21 minus 1 equal to 20. Then we find 3 upon 2. This is your given answer. So our answer is correct. Means 13 upon 2 is a rational number in which we add the numerator by 17 and subtract the denominator by 1, then we get 3 upon 2. This is last question of exercise 2.6, and tomorrow in previous video question number 10 is left, so we tell us the question number 10 in this video. Question number 10 is given as of exercise 2.5. Question number 10 is given as 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Then we have 25 for 100 means 1.00 minus 0.75 equal to 5, 0.5 minus 0.45, then 1.00 minus 0.50 equal to 0.45 plus 0.75. Now we have 0.505 and we get 0.30, then f equal to 0.30 upon 0.50 and f equal to 3 upon 5. This is your answer of this question. So thanks for today's class, and now your chapter